Now the shape here consists of 6 squares. Each side is 2 centimeters long. It can be folded to form a cube. Find the surface area of the cube. So if you fold this thing up, you know, you're going to get, what are you going to get? You're going to get a wee box, you know, and it's like a dice or whatever. So this box is going to have the front and the back, the top and the bottom, and the 2 sides. So there's 6 faces, and each of these faces is a square, and it's 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. So the area of one face, now the area of a square is going to be the length multiplied by the length, so that's 2 times 2, and that's 4 squared centimeters. So the area of one face is 4 squared centimeters. Find the surface area of the cube. So how much area, if you fold it all up, how much area is on the outside of this box? Well, it's just going to be 6 multiplied by 4, because there's 4 squared centimeters for each face. So we get 24 squared centimeters equals the surface area.